Okay, we're going to be talking about radicals here, not those kind of radicals, right? But right here we have some rational exponents. So let's go back and I see this x to the 5/4 times x to the 7/4. Let's think about this here. Go back to your law of exponents. Law 1 says that when you're multiplying two terms here and the bases are the same, you can add the exponents. So basically what I'm going to do is add 5/4 and 7/4 together. And because they have a common denominator, it's 12/4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. That one worked out really nice. Okay, that's nice that they have a common denominator. What happens when they don't have a common denominator? Well, I'm still going to add the exponents, but how do you add when they're not the same? Normally you can go to your calculator to do it, especially with the math fraction option and stuff. It's really nice and easy, but if not, you have to convert them to a common denominator. Now I know that 3 will go into 6 evenly, so I can leave the 1/6 as 1/6. But what would I multiply by 3 to get 6? It would be a 2. So if I multiply it by the denominator, I got to multiply by the numerator, so I end up with 4/6. So basically what I have is 1/6 plus 4/6, or x to the 5/6. Now what about this next one here, where I have the 5 and 2 are okay. I can take 5 times 2, because that's a multiply. But to still do the exponents, I still need to add the exponents together. Like the 5 times 2 is 10. And I need a common denominator. Now this time, 5 won't go into 8 evenly, so I need to think what will go 5 and 8 both go into. And the easiest number I come up with is 40, where I simply take 5 times 8 will be 40, and 8 times 5 is 40. And once again here, if I take 5 times 8 here, I have to take 3 times 8 up here, the same number. That's why I get 24 over 40. And if I take 8 times 5 to get 40 here, I have to take 5 times 7, the same number to the numerator. Now I can add these two together, and 24 and 35 add up to 59. So my answer would be 10x to the 59 over the 40th. Whoa. Yes, you can get some pretty unusual numbers, especially when you're adding exponents because of the common denominator. You can still multiply the coefficients, but the exponents have to be added together if it is in this format.